Next we are going to draw the acute angle 78 degree and the obtuse angle 110 degree by taking the upper scale of the protector. Now when to consider the upper scale and the lower scale, let me tell you. If the base of the angle is towards left hand side direction, I mean to say if the arrow mark of the base of the angle is towards left hand side direction, then you need to consider the upper scale of the protector. And when the arrow mark of the base of the angle is towards right hand side direction, in that case you have to consider the lower scale, which I had already shown in your previous video. Okay, so now to draw 78 degree, which is an acute angle, you put this point at B. Okay, after putting it, since we are considering the upper scale, because here the very first division 0 degree is started from here, so we have to move in clockwise direction. Okay, and for lower scale the 0 is here, it is started from this position, so in that case we have to move in anti-clockwise direction. So this is the difference between the upper scale and lower scale. For lower scale we have to move in anti-clockwise direction, and for upper scale we have to move in clockwise direction. Now where 78 degree will lie in this protector? If we move in clockwise direction from 0 degree, we will get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Up to this much it will be 70. But it is your 78 degrees, so we have to go 8 more divisions ahead. Okay, so it is 70, this will be 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, this will be your 76, 77, 78. So 78 will be here. Okay, so mark this point as A, join A and B and extend it a little bit, then AB will be the other ray of the angle. And you know when two rays meet at a common point an angle is formed. So ABC will be here 78 degree, an acute angle is formed. Okay, so here this acute angle is drawn using the upper scale. And in earlier video the acute angle which we have drawn already, that is your 60 degree, it was drawn using the lower scale. Now we are going to draw 110 degree, which is an obtuse angle. Okay, so for this angle also, first of all we need one base. Suppose this is the base. Let the arrow of the base be towards left hand side direction, and let us name the base of the angle 110 degree as MN. Okay, since the arrow of the base is this way towards left hand side direction, so we will consider the upper scale, this one. So where the division 110 is lying in this upper scale, let us find out. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, up to this much you will get one right angle, then 100, 110. 110 is here in the upper scale. Okay, in the lower scale we have to move in anti-clockwise direction. In that case you will get 110 degree here. Now arrow mark is this way towards left hand side direction, and we are considering the upper scale, so we are getting 110 degree here in this division of the protector. Let us mark this point as L. Okay, now join L and M and extend it a little bit. So LMN will be your 110 10 degree, which is a obtuse angle. So this way you need to draw the angles by using upper scale and lower scale.